So I thought I'd just show you how I mount my phone to my bike. I use the GoPro action cam mounts. So I was looking at getting a quad lock phone mount for my bike, and because I use quite a thick screen protector, I've got a white stone dome screen protector, and I wondered if the quad lock cases would fit okay. So I emailed quad lock and asked, and they said that their cases are designed to fit without screen protectors. So I thought, should I buy one and try it and see if it works or not? But in the end, I made my own one. I've got a Unicorn Beetle phone case, and I thought I'd stick a GoPro mount on the back. I stuck it on with a product called Sugru. It's like a moldable silicone putty stuff. A lot of people use it for sticking their GoPros to their helmets. I've used it before to stick a GoPro mount to my helmet, and it sticks really good. Right, so say that is the mount on your bike. You've got one of those attached to your handlebars or whatever, to a ram ball mount. You know, you've got the little base. Now you've got to go and somehow get those two together. So if you click one of these into there, and then one goes on your phone in there, they're not going to go together, are they? So what I do, put a normal one on like that, and obviously you still can't put that on there. So you have to get another little extension and cut along here, making one like that. So you basically just cut the nut side off, then it fit right on. Now, so if that's on your bike like that, what we have to do then, click your phone on like this, so this is my setup. I have a handlebar mount in the middle of my bars, and I use one of these mounts. You see where I cut the nut off of that one, or the nut, one of these off, and then it fits like that. Then I just get my phone and so on. You can use different attachments and bits and pieces to have it whatever orientation you like it, so you might want it that way, but I had it that way at first and it covered up the speedo too much. I'll put a link for the phone case in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos.